We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up ZS stock. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right-hand side is a bullish green candle. Can be engulfing the second last candle for that market to push up. So we do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. Current price is sitting at 188. So if price work his way up to the next area overall, it can head up between the price action overall highest highs and that second level highs and land at price of 251.72. And if price work his way down, it can head down back to the area of support where it came from, near the numbers of 145.13. So as I said before, price action, bullish green candle, engulfing the second last candle. We look for the closeout for that market to push up, or if that market is going to be continuous open on the monthly time frame, we can be seeing that price break that second level highs. If so, we're looking at that market tagging that bottom for that first leg, coming up for that second. We'll identify as we walk down further the retest for that market to work its way up for the incline W. Also, there's a pattern in this area too as an overall. So if we take a look at the resistance line of second level highs is coming to the horizontal. If we connect that uptrend, we can see that market is in a wedge pattern. So we're going to see if that market is going to break out to the top side or break out to the bottom side of that wedge pattern. Or if price work his way down, we will be identifying the break as is already there. Price action can be the retest. Looking for a pattern to identify itself, market is coming down from a break and retest of that area. Walking down to the weekly time frame. So we can see that price, the consolidation area of price is consolidating within that wedge pattern that we created for the monthly time frame. If we do receive the breakout, it'll break out up above our wedge pattern. Also break that SR line with multiple pushes down to that bottom. So we do have that overall first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest, and market could push out from a quadruple bottom or a triple bottom and a retest. And if that market is denied and comes back down, we can see that market came back to retest once, twice, and then dropped down back to the previous numbers of 145.27. Walking down to the daily time frame. Price action on the daily time frame is a bullish green candle. There's also a huge gap in the market. So price action is also breaking the SR line a little bit, but we're going to walk down the time frame and see what's really going on. Also, price action is coming from some type of pattern. It's identifying maybe a double bottom and a retest with the second last candle spike down. But overall, with the design and the coordination, is a single bottom and market pushed up back up to that high. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame. Price action on the 4-hour time frame is a doji. So it's identifying a retest. Second last candle is a push. So what happened in that market was that the market pushed up, came back to retest. Now we're going to see if that market is going to push and break out of that. If so, we're looking for a bullish green candle to push up. If not, if we receive a bearish red candle or pattern in that area, market can engulf this and push down back to the previous areas of 172, 174.24. And if price work is way up, the next level it can go up to is near the price of 208.44 before reaching that overall highest high SR line that we did create on the monthly time frame. Also on the 4-hour time frame, what it's identifying is a double top. That market spiked this area once and twice with the price action candle. So we're going to see what's going on as we walk down the time frame. 3-hour time frame is identifying same thing, a double top. Market spiked once, market spiked twice. So we're going to see if that market's going to break out. Second last candle still identifies a retest, so price action. Third last candle is a push. Second last candle is a retest, price action lined up with the second last candle. So that market broke and retest that area within that SR line hanging out at the top side. So we still have to wait for that market to do what it do. Walking down to the 2-hour time frame. Price action 2-hour time frame is a bullish green candle, small. Second last candle is a doji, which is the retest. Third last candle is a push and a breakout. So third last candle pushed and broke out the SR line. Second last candle retest and price action pushed back up to that area, that high of that resistance. So it's identifying a third leg of a double top. If it comes down, if it works its way up, it's identifying a break and retest, and this could be an area of support for that market to push up further. On a 1-hour time frame, price action, bullish green candle, small, press up to the top. Second last candle spiked as well. Second last candle is a retest. Third last candle is a push up. So third and fourth last candle pushed up. Second last candle retest. Price action lining up back up to that higher, that resistance of that area, just like we read on the 2-hour time frame. 45-minute time frame, reading the same thing as well, just identifying that the market broke, retest, and we pushed back to that area of resistance. Walking down to the 30. Same thing on 30, and we can see that consolidation happening. Market just broke up, came back to retest, lined up back up to previous resistance. So we are looking for that market to break out the resistance area of price nearing 189.18. So far, price action is a doji, or bullish green candle with a push up to the top, very, very small. Same thing with the 15-minute time frame. Walking down to the 5-minute. Price action on the 5-minute time frame is a bullish green small candle, long wick only, identifying a doji side by side with the second last candle as being a retest. So what's happening in that area is identifying an overall first leg, second leg, third leg, looking for that pattern to identify itself to see if it's going to respect this area and push and break out. If not, market coming down from that M pattern. So we're waiting for the breakout of this area here. Headed down to the 3-minute time frame. Price action on the 3-minute time frame is a bearish red candle with a push up to the top, showing that the market can be pushing his way down. Price action candle came back for a retest, and if it breaks the second last candle wick, close out, it can push down further. But so far we can still see it sitting in that consolidation area. On the 1-minute time frame, reading the same thing as well. So it can either respect this area for the support and push up, or it can break this area of support and work its way down for a break and retest. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. ZS Stark.